The stage lights dim, the crowd holds its breath, and then, boom! The name Hadi Choopan echoes through the arena, sending shockwaves across the bodybuilding world. But this time, the story isn't about victory. It's about something far more powerful. Second place at the Arnold Classic 2026, where legends are forged and dreams are shattered. Hadi Choopan didn't just compete, he ignited a storm of disbelief, admiration, and raw emotion. Because what the world witnessed wasn't defeat, it was a terrifying promise of what's coming next. The unfinished domination. For most athletes, second place is a heartbreak. For Hadi Choopan, it's a warning shot to the entire bodybuilding elite. When Hadi stepped on stage, his physique looked carved from granite, grainy, dense, and brutally conditioned. His back, a roadmap of striations so deep it looked unreal. His legs, thick, separated, and violently detailed. The crowd didn't just cheer, they roared. Yet somehow, the gold slipped away. And that's exactly what makes this moment so dangerous. Because Hadi Choopan is not the kind of athlete who accepts almost. Shook the judges. From the very first pose, Hadi brought a level of conditioning that most competitors fear. His muscle maturity, dryness, and insane detail made even top-tier pros look slightly off. Fans across the globe began whispering the same thing. Was this really second place? Social media exploded. Forums went wild. Analysts debated endlessly. Some claimed it was one of the most controversial calls in recent bodybuilding memory. But here's the truth. Controversy fuels monsters, and Hadi thrives in chaos. The mindset of a warrior. What separates Hadi Choopan from the rest isn't just his physique, it's his mindset. This is a man who built his career through adversity. Limited resources, political barriers, endless struggles. Yet he rose, step by step, until he stood among the absolute best in the world. Second place doesn't break a man like that, it sharpens him. While others celebrate or complain, Hadi disappears into the shadows, training harder, pushing deeper, suffering longer, because in his mind, this wasn't a loss, it was fuel. Warning to the bodybuilding world, to every competitor eyeing the throne, listen carefully. A hungry Hadi Choopan is dangerous, but a Hadi Choopan coming off a controversial second place? That's a nightmare. The next time he steps on stage, don't expect improvements, expect evolution. More density, more detail, more brutality. The kind of physique that doesn't just win shows, it ends debates. The legacy is far from over. People forget too quickly, but Hadi Choopan is not just another competitor. He is a former Mr. Olympia champion, a man who has already conquered the biggest stage in bodybuilding. And champions don't fade away quietly. They come back louder, bigger, more dangerous. Second place at the Arnold Classic 2026 doesn't diminish his legacy, it amplifies it. It adds tension to his story. It builds anticipation for what could be one of the greatest comebacks in modern bodybuilding history. Silence before the storm. Right now, there's silence. No loud statements, no excuses, no distractions, just Hadi Choopan. working. And that's what should terrify everyone. Because when a warrior like him goes silent, it means one thing. Something massive is coming. Final thought. This isn't the end. It's the beginning. Second place was never the headline. The headline is what comes next. The hunger, the rage, the obsession. Hadi Choopan didn't lose at the Arnold Classic 2026. He unleashed a version of himself the bodybuilding world may not be ready for. So to the fans, stay ready. To the competitors, stay alert. Because the next time Hadi steps on stage, it won't just be about winning. It will be about dominating in a way that leaves no doubt, no debate, and no survivors.